everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie. This big bag right here is one of my new frog orders where I ordered almost 70 paintings for $51. So instead of trying to figure out how much each one actually cost, I just took the total number of paintings divided by the total cost, and each one cost me about 75 cents. So it shipped in 4 separate packages, and this one is package number 2. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. We're not going to officially unbox all of these today. I'll just show you what all came in this bag. It seems how there's a hole right here just waiting for me. I'll start it there. All right. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gotta be careful so it doesn't go the other way and hit my tripod. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 paintings. And that bag is garbage. So, if I were to divide these up, 11, I'm just going to randomly grab 2. Anyway, when I talk about package 2, these are the ones I'm opening right here. Package 2. One package is really small, only has like 1 painting in it. One package is a big box. And then I have another one that is a bag. So, we'll start with these ones from package 2, and I will let you know the last clip of, or the last video of package 2. Until then, let's go ahead and end this clip here. This is the Welcome to New Frog package 2 intro clip. And I'll be right back. I'm going to unbox 2 of them, but I've got Taylor in the shower right now. And she sounds like she's getting done. So I need to open my door so I can hear when she yells for me so I can help her get out. Alright, I'll see you in the video. Okay, here's the first 2 that I'm going to go ahead and unbox. I'm not sure which paintings these are and how easy or complicated this is going to be, but we're going to make it work. So let's go ahead and open the first one. Okay, this is a multi-panel, and I was going to show you my order page for these, but I think you can see that quite clearly, actually, in the viewfinder. All of these for package 2 were ordered on, well, this whole order was done on November 15th. Package 2 shipped on the 21st, and I received it December 15th. Okay, hold on, Taylor's ready now. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Taylor's here with me now. So this is a multi-panel. It is 19 colors.
It almost looks like a puzzle.
It does kind of look like a puzzle, huh? And for you to be looking at it the right way, it goes like this. There. That would be the right way. The canvas looks really good. Really clear. All the symbols are clear. That's a dumb phone call trying to come in. There we go. Anyway, all the symbols are really clear. I don't think we'll have any issues with that. There's the gems. This does come with 2 toolkits. Green boat, small chunk of wax, pen, that's it. So basic toolkits in those. Let's go ahead and flip this over and we'll take a look at the 19 colors that's in it. This canvas is pretty thick and it's actually really, it's got some glitter sparkles to it. It's actually quite pretty.
You might give that to me.
I might give that to you. Are we going to do your whole room in diamond paintings? Yeah, you like that idea?
And we can put my room a diamond painting room.
Yeah? Uh-oh. Okay, so we've got a bag open or just a rogue bead floating around.
I think it's a ghost that opened the package.
You think a ghost opened our package? I think you're silly.
And stapled it.
Okay, so there's color 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Lego please.
12, 13,
That's a very beautiful color.
14, 15,
What color is that?
15,
Good job.
16,
Uh-huh.
17,
Uh-huh.
18,
Uh-huh.
19.
Haha, that's 18 too. I tricked you. Those 2 are both 18. 19. Okay, so all of the colors themselves are here. I've got the right number of colors.
And we have a bunch.
Let's see what we've got here. Okay, the DMC codes are on the canvas. I needed to check that because they're not. And on this side also. They're not on the bags, but they are. They are on the canvas. Didn't come with an inventory sheet. Be careful with the scissors, princess. Didn't come with an inventory sheet, but I will just copy the side of the canvas. One for my index card on the back, and then one just for my inventory sheet binder. Okay, so there's that one. Let's go ahead and set that over there. And here, right here, nope, put that one down. We're going to open these 2 on this video, okay? I'm trying to see how long it takes us to open 2. All right, so here's the second one that we're going to open. Grab me the scissors. You want to help me cut it?
Yeah.
You won't cut me, right? You'll be careful.
No, I'm really good at cutting.
Don't cut. Hey, careful! Don't cut the canvas either. Oh, good job! It opened. All right.
I cut the canvas.
No, you didn't. All right, so there's this one, and this one looks like it's gonna go this way. And here's that multi-panel. It did also come with 2 the generic toolkits. This one, just a minute, baby. This one is 22 colors in this. Yes, you can open those for just a minute, okay? Again, exactly a month between the date of order and the date delivered. I think you can see that canvas just fine. You can tell what that picture is. Sorry for the crinkle. Taylor can't wait. She just wants to open those drills. Yeah. Good job, Taylor. Hey, I need the bag, though. Okay. Ready?
I count them.
I'll show them. You count them because my arms are longer. I can reach over here. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Just kidding. 5, 5, 5. So all those are 5, which is also 3 10. So 3 bags of number 5. All right.
6, 7, 8,
Yep.
9.
What color is that? You were right.
9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 14, 14,
2 14s, huh?
15, 16. No one
What's this?
7,
Good. And what's that one?
18,
Nope.
17,
Another 17. Haha.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
All right.
It broke.
The drills look really good. I don't see trash. I do see rogue beads of wrong colors. Mostly just random white ones in them. But the drills look really good. Both of these are, they claim 95 by 45. So give me just a second here to put these away over here. And Taylor and I will try to measure these here real quick.
Can I?
You can help me, yes. Push this end down and hold it right there. And hold, see where that says 0?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's push the button. Hold it right there on the edge of that picture. You got it? Okay, so it's 87 and a half drill area here to drill area here. If we push the 0 out to the blue line and the blue line, we're at almost 94.
Let's try it all the way over here.
Try it all the way at the very end, to the very end?
Yeah.
All right, very end of canvas to very end of canvas is just under 95. Hold that down for me, sweetie. And if we do the tallest one,
That's
about 38 and a half. And I think all of these, yeah, 95 by 45. So let's scoot this clear up to the edge of the canvas. Oh, these might actually be blue line to, okay, blue line is 45. So blue line 45, and then I forgot what it was this way.
it was
From blue line to blue
45.
line. Now that does have some wrinkles in it. Is about, I don't know if I pulled all the wrinkles out, it probably is pretty close to 95. So they definitely measure the whole canvas. Side to side, side to side. So anyway, that's how they measure that. Now we know, not a big deal to me. I just think I really like the colors that are
I
in
like
these.
this one
Yeah?
and this one
Those are your favorite colors?
and this one.
You like those ones? What about the purple?
Yeah.
Is it dark purple? Yeah?
And I like the pinkish white.
Too bad you picked the other one for your room, huh?
I have this one too.
You want this one too? Oh goodness. Well, it looks like Taylor's room's gonna sparkle. Okay.
And shine.
Anyway, like I said, both of those,
Stop recording.
75 cents each. New Frog. Not sure how I got the coupon that gave me 90% off of everything, but I did. And I took advantage of it. And there you go. There's the first two. The first two kits that came with it.
How about we flip it over?
What are we gonna flip it over for?
So they can see it. That's why.
They can see it. I put it the right way this time. See?
That's why it looks upside down.
That's why it looks upside down to you. Yeah, look up here in the camera. Do you see it now? Yeah. All right. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. We thank you for watching and subscribing. And we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Give it a thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up because Taylor said so. Bye.